How to fix error 500 in Elementor. So basically, if the error appears on all website pages, you're gonna have to back up your site and then update to the latest version of Elementor and Elementor Pro. Deactivate all of your active plugins other than Elementor and Elementor Pro and see if it solves the issue. Reactivate the plugins one by one to find the culprit. Now, as you can see, if the error appears on a specific page, you're gonna have to go to the page with the error, click on the arrow next to the update publish button, and then simply choose save as template. And then here you're gonna have to simply enter a name and then click on save. Then you have to go to pages and then click on add new page, and then you're gonna have to click on the folder icon and then simply click on insert of the page that we just saved as a template. And basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.